guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing something from Huda. So if you would like to see what I got in this box, then just keep on watching. So, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught, mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do unboxings, tutorials, reviews, skincare, hair care, hair stuff like styling tools, and once in a while I'll throw in a cooking video here and there. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And to all my OGs, thank you so much for coming back to spend some time with me today. Now let's get into this unboxing. So Huda has been out of something. Every time she puts it up on the website, it sells out, and this is the third time she has put it up, so I decided to grab it because I don't know when I will be able to grab it again. I've been wanting to try her cherry powder. So it comes like this. I love the paper that she puts everything in. I have not put on my under eyes yet. What is this? Oh, I got a trial size of her. I got the honey bomb. This is the powder that I bought. I've heard such good things about her cherry powder, and I haven't got to try it. I have one of them, I think, sugar cookie, and it's the small one, but it's really hard. I thought it spilled out in the box. So this is the Cherry Blossom Cake Easy Bake Powder. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh, yes. So, this is what it looks like. I'm so excited for this powder. We are going to use Huda's concealer. And I'm going to take the Rose and Ben C31, and I'm going to use that as a under eye blender today. Now, I have heard that this powder is like, it's amazing is what I've heard. It like makes it look like you have a filter on your face. And honey, at 50 we can use that. So I'm just pressing this in. Okay, so now we are going to use the Huda Easy Bake Powder. And I am going to use my Rose and Band Poof. And this does have a mesh thing in the bottom. Then I'm going to take and I'm going to pat it on the back of my hand. Now I'm going to press on the back of my hand and get the rest of that powder. Oh my gosh, this powder has a really nice scent to it. I seen Michaela on TikTok was like, Huda, can you take the smell out of this powder? For God's sakes, I love this powder so much, but it has a scent to it and I can't stand it. I think it smells very light. It's not over, you know, it's not overly scented. Look at that. Look at that. I'm so glad that I got this powder. Let me just tell you that. So glad. So let me know if you have tried. I mean, that looks like a filter. I mean, look. I like it a lot. I'm so happy to have 2 of her face things. Well, 3 counting a highlighter palette, but I'm so lucky to have been able to get her contour. It is amazing. I probably will not use anything else now that I've tried Huda's. I really love her contour powder. I love that Easy Bake Cherry Blossom powder. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a must pick up. I mean, my face looks like a filter. So, let me know down in the comments if you have tried the Huda Easy Bake Powder, and if you have, what color do you have? And if you haven't, you thinking about trying it now that you've seen how it works on my skin? Let me know down. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman from the South, then please hit that subscribe button and take the bell to all so you don't miss a notification. And I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed.